Okay, so tired. This is after 12 to 1 in the night, and I have this task to implement for you. It says implement sign up and login. Your code should demonstrate knowledge of dependency injection and maybe some single responsibility principle here and there for you. Okay, let's start. Dependency injection, right? Let's go and get it in. Here's my nugget. I'm challenging myself with this. Let me see. My nugget. Let's get dependency injection. Download that right here. Yes. Install. Install. So I also know that I'm going to use in memory Microsoft Entity Framework. I'm going to use that. Let me get the in memory. Uh, Entity framework. Let's see in memory. No, I'll need that later. Apply. I accept. So let's go back to our code and fire on get our services. Services new service collection. Should be a service collection. Yep. Getting new service collection services. I'm just going to inject everything services dot. Let me add singleton. Services dot add singleton. I'm going to have a class called run where I'll run everything from. So add singleton run and services dot add singleton run. What does it say? The type of namespace run could not be found. Yeah, it can be found here. So then we need our service builder. Let's call it service provider. Should I call it builder? Build service provider. And then we built it, so we need to get it and use it. Let me call it run. So we'll use our service provider to get required service. Required service is run service. The required service. Okay, and I'm going to have run. Let me call it startup. Let's call it startup. Okay, that being done, we will now need our startup class. Need a startup class. So let me get a run class. Inside the run class, I'll get a startup class. So I need a run class. I need a run class. need a run class, so let's make this public. And in my run class, I should have a public startup. God. Let it be void. Public startup class. This class will contain the logic for everything. So let's say let's say what should be the logic? Let me just define a quick logic here. Let's say put it here. Let me say public init, and just say make it a bool logged in is equal to false. Let's see. So now say while, maybe we'll say while not logged in. So while not logged in, what error is it given? So while not logged in, what should we do? We should request for, we should tell the person to, press 1 for sign up. Press 1 to sign up. You can see I went to school. So press 1 to sign up, not for sign up. And press 2 for login, not to login. And press 2 to login. So let's get it. Let's get it from the person. Let's say console really tired, console dot read line. Let's call it response. Takes in a string. Let's call it response. So if our response equal 1, what should we do? Response equal 1. We should sign up user. Sign up user. Let's just call it sign up. Else if our response equal to 2, we should do what? Oh god, we should login user. Else oh god, can't seem to get anything working this night. Else console dot write line wrong input. Let's be doing this. And I say, let's be do so. Let's do this. Let's do it. Do this. Can't get anything working this night. So let's do this. Do all of these while and all of this while not logged in. So we want to console clear right at the very top here. So let's do this while okay. So so now we need to go and implement run does not contain definition of startup, but it does. It now does run contains the definition of startup. It says run does not contain definition of startup and no extensible extension method. So it does. So we'll just forget about that and go to the next thing. Now the next thing is to create a sign up service and a login service. So what we will do, let's create our services. Let's create our services. Services should contain services should contain the services login services and the sign up services. So in our login service, let's start with the sign up. So in our sign up service, we have the sign up class. We have the sign up class, and let's just get an I sign up. There's many. So we have the sign up class. Let's get an I sign up because we're implementing contracts or interfaces. So let's get an I sign up. And get an I sign up. And let's do same for the login class. Let's get login service and also a login login service. This is the interface, the contract for it. So we know that we have our services and we also need our models. So let's just make it a new folder here, call it models. Window for now, we just have one there. So this model, we should have the user model. Yes, what should the user model do? The user model should implement, yep, we should have the ID, name, email. Let's just stop at that. Just a simple login, and then let's have the password. The password, and should we do a constructor? There's a quick constructor for you. Okay, I'm getting a constructor, and there's our model. So let's go back to our sign up. So what do we want to do? What do we want to do? Let us sign up implement I sign up. Let's sign up implement I sign up. Yeah, I'll leave the sign up for now. Let me implement the database, the model. So can we have container? Have our container. What am I doing? Am I really tired? Who send me? Let me send myself. So let's get our containers. And so containers, our container. So in this container, I have my, let's call it, DB context. So user, let's call it my DB context. Let's call it my DB context. So my DB context should have, let's see, my DB context should inherit from DB context class. Yes, should inherit from DB context class. So in my DB context, I should have a public DB set for users. For user, let's call it user. Type this. Okay. What else? What's this saying? The type of names for a user could not be found here. Okay. Okay. So let's say protected override on configuring. Nope. Nope. We want the options builder dot in use in memory database. What is this? Is mentioned which is not given. What is it? In memory DB. This is a method which is not valid in the given context. What that is saying. What am I doing actually? Really, really tired. Really, really, really tired. Use in memory database. Tired. Can't seem to remember anything. Let me just take a quick look. Can't seem to remember anything. My head is blocked. Oh god. Okay. My bad. I'll just call it my DB. So that's all. Now let's create methods. Let's create methods that can retrieve from this DB. So let's say void add user. Let's call this add user. It should take in a user. So using using oh my god. Context. I don't use that. Go to this users.add user, and when you do that, you save. Context dot save changes. Context dot users dot add users. I think that's for that. And then let us create another one. Let's create another public. Let this one be a list of user list. And let's call it get users. Let's call it get users. So let's using using var context equal to new my db context using that context. What do I want to do? I want context dot users to return context dot users dot list as well. Okay. Okay, so let's go and sign up a user. Signing up a user, we'll go to our services and our sign up. So how do we sign up a user? We have to get the user information. So we have to get user information. So let's create a public sign up. Yes, that's what we want. Public sign up. What do we want to do? Console dot right line enter your name. Enter your name. Then collect the name and then console enter your email. Enter your email. God. And then we collect the email. Then console enter your password. Then collect password. So what do we do? What do we do? If so, we create a new user. How do we create a new user? We say if our new user is equal to new user into need an ID. So let's create an ID for them. This should be of type quit. Let's not call it quit. Let's call it user ID. User ID, comma, it is in today. ID, name, email, password. Create a new user, and then we check if user exists. So you say the existing user is equal to